In this video, I wanted to introduce you to 4 VPNs. Two of them are free VPNs, which you can just connect by clicking on connect, but two other need configurations, which you can find across internet, or if you can't, you can just join my Telegram channel, which you can search on Telegram by TechBot. I also will provide the links in the description. The first one is Cisco AnyConnect. This VPN requires you to enter, like server numbers or text for connecting to, and also maybe sometimes username and password too. For me, this particular servers I found on Telegram didn't work, but for you it may work. I'm gonna add them in my Telegram channel, so you could just check if it works or not. So we're gonna move on from Cisco. It's a good VPN. I have a paid service for Cisco, but I wouldn't just sell it or introduce it on my YouTube channel. But the ones I'm gonna introduce are free ones. So I know it's a good client, so that's why I'm introducing it. Moving on to the next one, it's a free VPN named hotspotshield. You may know it. It's popular. It worked good with my internet. On Windows, I had a bad time disconnecting from it. It would just be stuck on disconnecting. But on Mac and iOS, it was good. I'm just gonna wait for it to check. Yeah, as you can see, my messages are moving because in Iran Telegram is censored. I'm using Telegram to show you that I'm connecting or not, connected to the VPN or not, it's working or not. So I'm gonna disconnect from hotspotshield. You can find it on App Store. I'm gonna close it. The next VPN I'm gonna introduce you is amneziavpn. It's a free VPN. You can find it on its website, or you can find it by searching on App Store. It still doesn't have a I think particular Mac version. It's an iPhone version, but you can run it on your Mac. It's a free VPN, so when you open it, it asks you for add a configuration too, but I suspect anyone have configurations for this VPN. So you just click on VPN by Amnesia, and based on the VPN you are connected to, like if you are connected to American server, or if like you're in Iran and you're not connected to anything, it would ask you to select the free server which is made for Iran. So when you click on that free server, so for example, you could be from anywhere, it would show your country. So you just click on free VPN from Amnesia for example country, and then you will have this window. You can just click on connect. On Windows it would connect after 30-40 seconds, but on Mac I wasn't able to connect to it. So I'm not just gonna waste any more time on this. It may be because of their servers or my internet, whatever. But it's a good VPN. I had a good speed both on Windows, on Mac, on my iPhone, uh, also on my Wi-Fi and my cellular connection. So it's a good VPN. I'm just gonna cancel and move on to the next, which is amneziawg. It's just like WireGuard, but I think it's made by the same Amnesia VPN team. It has its own servers. Even if the ending part of the configuration is named .conf, it doesn't mean that it would work on Amnesia. The configurations for both amneziawg and WireGuard are the same thing, like .conf at the end, but they differ. They wouldn't work on, as I have checked, they wouldn't work on the both apps. So if you're watching on my channel, I would say that this particular configuration is for amneziawg, so you wouldn't try to add it to WireGuard. So you just click on import from tunnel, and you find your configurations, which for me it's here. I'm just gonna import them. I'm gonna allow. And based on my last video, this server works great on my Wi-Fi, so I'm just gonna click on activate. One way which you can see that if the configuration is working or not, it's that see if it's have data received. So as you would see at the first, it didn't have any data received, but after it got connected, it had data received. So you can check that if the configuration is working or not. It would take some time for it to update everything, but I think that it's connected as it's updating, and I'm having data received and sent. I'm gonna wait for this file to download. It seems it has a very slow connection, but it's fine. Yeah, it downloaded. I hope I helped you. Bye bye.